good self-esteem. You may have never felt good enough. You may have never felt pretty enough. But I want you to imagine the Lord looking at you and talking to you right now and telling you everything that's happening